Hey everybody, KIA Ora, Assalamualaikum. Hello, Mohammed Asif from New Zealand here. Have you ever imagined a farm that can be placed anywhere, from a bustling city to a barren desert? Well, get ready to meet the ICS V.786, a revolutionary system that's changing how we think about agriculture. Forget your grandpappy's farm. This is farming of the future. We're talking high-tech, self-contained and incredibly efficient. This is a 40-foot container packed with cutting-edge technology that allows you to grow food anywhere in the world. And I mean anywhere, from the frozen Arctic to the scorching Sahara. The Mobile Farm ICS V.786 is a complete ecosystem designed to maximize plant growth and minimize waste. It's like having a greenhouse on steroids with complete control over every aspect of the growing environment. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Mobile Farm V.786. Now, let's step inside this technological marvel. Picture this, a standard shipping container, but instead of cargo, it's bursting with life. The Mobile Farm V.786 is cleverly designed with two distinct zones, a control area in the front and a dedicated cultivation area in the back. The control room is like the brain of the operation. Here you'll find an advanced electronic sensing system that keeps a constant watch on everything happening inside the farm. No more guesswork, no more relying on fickle weather patterns, just pure data-driven precision. Rows upon rows of vertical farming systems maximize space, allowing for a surprising amount of produce to be grown within the confines of the container. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to create thriving ecosystems even in the most unexpected places. What truly sets the Mobile Farm V.786 apart is its unparalleled control over the growing environment. Forget about unpredictable weather patterns, pests, or soil-borne diseases. This system eliminates those risks entirely. Temperature, humidity, and CO2 levels are meticulously maintained at optimal levels for specific crops. This means faster growth cycles, higher yields, and superior quality produce. And because the system is entirely enclosed, there's no need for harmful pesticides or herbicides. The Mobile Farm V.786 takes resource efficiency to a whole new level. Water is recycled and reused, minimizing waste and reducing the farm's overall footprint. This technology is scalable, adaptable, and accessible to people all over the world. Now, let's dive deeper into the brains of this operation, the electronic sensing system. Imagine a network of sensors spread throughout the cultivation area, constantly monitoring every vital sign of the growing environment. These aren't your average thermometers and humidity gauges, folks. We're talking high-tech sensors that measure everything from temperature and humidity to light intensity and CO2 levels. This constant stream of data is fed back to the control system, which acts like the farm's very own central nervous system. It's all automated. The Mobile Farm 2.0 takes the guesswork out of farming, allowing even novice growers to achieve incredible results. One of the biggest challenges in traditional farming is dealing with Mother Nature's unpredictable moods. But inside the Mobile Farm V.786, it's always springtime. That's because the environmental control system maintains the perfect climate for plant growth regardless of what's happening outside. The Mobile Farm V.786 uses a combination of heating, cooling and ventilation to keep the temperature within the ideal range 24/7. Humidity is another critical factor. The Mobile Farm V.786 climate control system carefully regulates humidity levels, creating the perfect balance for healthy plant growth. It's a controlled paradise for plants, allowing them to reach their full potential. Now let's talk about light, the lifeblood of any plant. The Mobile Farm V.786 uses specialized LED grow lights that mimic the sun's spectrum, providing plants with the exact light wavelengths needed for photosynthesis. Different plants have different light requirements, and the Mobile Farm V.786 caters to each one with custom light recipes. These recipes control the intensity, duration, and even the color spectrum of the light to optimize growth for specific crops. And because the system uses energy-efficient LEDs, it uses far less electricity than traditional grow lights. It's a win-win for both your plants and the planet. Here's a little secret that not all farmers know. CO2 is like a magic elixir for plants. Increasing CO2 levels within a controlled environment can dramatically boost plant growth and yield. The Mobile Farm V.786 CO2 enrichment system carefully monitors the CO2 concentration within the cultivation area and supplements it as needed. This controlled CO2 enrichment leads to faster growth rates, larger plants, and ultimately higher yields. And the best part, the Mobile Farm ICS V.786 can often utilize CO2 that would otherwise be released into the atmosphere as waste. It's a win-win for both our food supply and the environment. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty of what makes those plants inside Mobile Farm V.786 so darn healthy, their diet. The Mobile Farm V.786 sophisticated nutrient management system acts as a personal chef and nutritionist all in one. Instead of relying on fickle soil, the Mobile Farm V.786 utilizes hydroponics, a method of growing plants without soil at all. The plants are supported by an inert growing medium and their roots are bathed in a nutrient-rich solution that provides everything they need to flourish. This means no more worrying about soil-borne diseases, pests, or nutrient deficiencies. It's like giving your plants a direct line to their favorite buffet packed with all the essential vitamins and minerals they need to grow big and strong. Hydroponics might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's actually a time-tested and incredibly effective method of growing food. And the Mobile Farm V.786 takes hydroponics to the next level. Imagine a network of pipes and channels circulating a perfectly balanced nutrient solution directly to the roots of your plants. No more dirt, no more weeds, just pure, unadulterated nutrition delivered right where it's needed most. And because the Mobile Farm 2.0 hydroponic system is completely enclosed, there's no risk of nutrient runoff polluting waterways or contaminating groundwater. It's a clean, efficient, and sustainable way to grow food, especially in areas where water is scarce. But the Mobile Farm ICS V.786 doesn't just provide nutrients, it provides the right nutrients in the right amounts at the right time. The sensors are not just monitoring the environment, they're also keeping a close eye on the nutrient levels within the hydroponic solution. This data is fed back to the control system, which acts like a master chef, constantly adjusting the recipe for optimal plant growth. The Mobile Farm V.786 precision nutrition system takes all the guesswork out of fertilization. No more overfeeding or underfeeding, just a perfectly balanced diet tailored to the specific needs of each crop at every stage of its growth cycle. This results in healthier plants, faster growth rates, and significantly higher yields compared to traditional farming methods. In a world facing increasing water scarcity, the Mobile Farm V.786 stands out as a beacon of sustainability. Unlike traditional farming, which often wastes vast amounts of water through evaporation and runoff, the Mobile Farm V.786 hydroponic system is designed for maximum water conservation. The nutrient solution that feeds the plants is constantly being pumped through the system, and any excess water that isn't absorbed by the plants is collected, filtered, and reused. This means that the Mobile Farm 2.0 uses a fraction of the water required for traditional agriculture, making it an ideal solution for arid regions or areas facing water shortages. And because the system is so efficient, there's minimal waste or runoff, reducing the risk of polluting nearby waterways or groundwater. It's farming with a conscience, ensuring a brighter future for generations to come. Now here's where things get really exciting. The Mobile Farm V.786 isn't just a set-it-and-forget-it system, it's a learning machine, constantly gathering data and adjusting its approach to optimize plant growth. The data allows farmers to track the progress of their crops in real time, identify potential issues before they become major problems, and fine-tune the system for maximum yield and quality. With their Mobile Farm V.786, the data is readily available at your fingertips. This empowers farmers to make informed decisions about their crops, optimizing every aspect of the growing environment for maximum productivity. This data-driven approach is revolutionizing agriculture, taking the guesswork out of farming and ushering in a new era of precision and efficiency. One of the most remarkable features of the Mobile Farm V.786 is its adaptability. It's not limited by geography, climate, or even altitude. Whether you're in the heart of a bustling city or perched high in the mountains, the Mobile Farm 2.0 can create a thriving oasis of food production. Imagine setting up a farm on the slopes of a mountain where traditional agriculture would be nearly impossible, or picture a Mobile Farm V.786 unit stationed in the middle of a vast desert where water is scarce and the sun beats down relentlessly. Traditional farming methods would wither under such harsh conditions, but the Mobile Farm V.786 thrives. From the Sahara's scorching heat to the Himalayas' thin air, the Mobile Farm V.786 adapts and conquers, proving that with the right technology, we can grow food anywhere. Let's journey to the far north, where the sun barely rises for months. Traditional agriculture is a distant dream in these frigid landscapes, but the Mobile Farm V.786 is a beacon of hope and innovation. Its climate control system transforms the harsh environment into a temperate paradise. Specialized LED grow lights substitute for the absent sun, empowering Arctic communities to grow fresh food year-round, a testament to technology overcoming extreme challenges. Now let's shift our focus to the concrete jungle of our modern cities. With shrinking green spaces, producing fresh food locally has become difficult, but the Mobile Farm V.786 offers a revolutionary solution. These compact farms can be set up on rooftops, vacant lots, or parking garages. Amidst the urban chaos, you find a rooftop oasis, a Mobile Farm V.786 bursting with life. Freshly harvested vegetables are sold right there, reducing the carbon footprint. The Mobile Farm V.786 is transforming urban spaces into productive oases. The Mobile Farm V.786 isn't just a technological marvel, it's a powerful tool for social good. In a world facing increasing food insecurity due to climate change, population growth, and political instability, the Mobile Farm V.786 offers hope. Imagine a refugee camp struggling to provide basic necessities for its displaced population. Food is scarce and reliance on outside aid is unreliable at best. But then, a Mobile Farm V.786 unit's convoy arrives, bringing the promise of fresh, nutritious food. These self-contained farms can be rapidly deployed to disaster areas, refugee camps, or any community facing food shortages. They can be set up quickly, require minimal space and resources, and can begin producing food within weeks. The Mobile Farm V.786 is empowering communities around the world to take control of their own food production, reduce their reliance on external aid, and build a more sustainable and equitable food system for all. The Mobile Farm V.786 represents more than just a technological advancement. It's a paradigm shift in the way we think about agriculture. It challenges the traditional model of large-scale, centralized farming and embraces a more decentralized, adaptable and resilient approach. Imagine a future where food production is no longer limited by geography, climate, or even access to land. A future where fresh, healthy food is readily available in both rural communities and bustling cities, grown sustainably and efficiently using the power of technology. This is the future the Mobile Farm V.786 is helping to create. A future where food security is a reality for all. where local food systems thrive and where the environmental impact of agriculture is minimized. It's a future where technology empowers us to live in greater harmony with nature, producing an abundance of food while preserving the planet for generations to come. Now let's talk about the Mobile Farm V.786's ingenious design. It all starts with a standard 40-foot shipping container. This entire agricultural revolution is packed into a structure you've seen countless times. This makes the Mobile Farm V.786 incredibly versatile and cost-effective. Inside lies a marvel of engineering and design. Every square inch is optimized for efficiency. Just ship in a unit, connect it to power, and you're ready to grow. Step inside the Mobile Farm V.786, and you'll immediately notice a clever design element, the separation of the container into two distinct zones. The front portion houses the control room, the brains of the operation, while the rear section is dedicated entirely to cultivation, where the plants work their magic. This separation serves several crucial purposes. Firstly, it maintains a clean and sterile environment within the cultivation area, minimizing the risk of pests, diseases, or contamination. Think of it like a surgical theatre, where every precaution is taken to ensure a sterile environment for optimal results. Secondly, this separation allows for easy access to both the control systems and the growing area without disrupting the delicate balance within. Farmers can monitor and adjust settings, perform maintenance, and harvest their crops without ever stepping foot inside the pristine growing environment. This thoughtful zoning is a testament to the meticulous design of Mobile Farm V.786, which ensures optimal growing conditions and ease of operation. It's like having a state-of-the-art laboratory and a thriving greenhouse all rolled into one. Section 3, front and center, the command center. The control room of Mobile Farm V.786 is the nerve center of the operation. Step inside and you'll feel like you've entered the bridge of a spaceship. Farmers can monitor every aspect of the growing environment. The user-friendly control panel puts the power at their fingertips. With a few taps, they can adjust lighting and nutrient delivery. It's like having a digital assistant for all technical details. The control room is also where data analysis happens. Sensors feed information back to the control system. This real-time data allows farmers to track crop progress precisely. Now, let's step through the dividing wall and enter the heart of the Mobile Farm V.786, the cultivation area. Here, the sterile, almost futuristic environment gives way to an explosion of life, a symphony of green hues bathed in the warm glow of specialized LED grow lights. Rows upon rows of vertically stacked growing trays maximize space utilization. The air is alive with the hum of pumps and the soft rustle of leaves. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a symphony of technology and nature, a future where fresh, healthy food is a readily available resource. The true genius of the Mobile Farm V.786 design lies in its unparalleled efficiency. Every aspect, from the compact footprint to the vertical stacking of growing trays, maximizes space and crop output. A single unit can produce yields comparable to a much larger plot of land. The controlled environment allows for year-round cultivation. Its hydroponic system uses less water, and LED grow lights consume minimal energy. This makes the Mobile Farm V.786 a game-changer in agriculture, paving the way for a sustainable future. Well, folks, there you have it. The Mobile Farm V.786 is a shining example of how technology can revolutionize even the oldest of practices, agriculture. This isn't just a fancy greenhouse, it's a self-contained ecosystem, a data-driven powerhouse, a testament to human ingenuity. We've seen how it conquers climates, maximizes yields, and minimizes waste, all within the confines of a 40-foot container. This is more than just growing food. It's about ensuring food security, revitalizing communities, and treading lightly on our planet. Think about the possibilities. Imagine a world where fresh, healthy food is accessible to everyone, regardless of location or climate. Picture communities empowered to grow their own food, reducing their reliance on long supply chains and embracing a more sustainable way of life. The Mobile Farm V.786 isn't just a dream, it's a working solution, a glimpse into a future where technology and nature work hand in hand to nourish our planet and its people. This isn't science fiction, folks. This is happening right now. The Mobile Farm V.786 is already making a difference in communities worldwide, from urban food deserts to remote villages. It's a testament to the power of innovation, the unwavering spirit of those who seek to build a better future. And the best part, this is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the mobile farm. Imagine even greater efficiency, even more crop varieties, even more ingenious applications for this revolutionary system. This is about more than just growing food, it's about growing hope. It's about showing the world that we can overcome challenges, that we can innovate our way to a brighter future. So let's get growing, folks. Let's embrace the future of agriculture, a future where technology empowers us to nourish ourselves while nurturing our planet. I'm Mohammed Asif, and I'll see you next time. For further queries, email us at asif@icservices.nz.